Just a quick signal to noise. I got this really long one of my other signal cables doing the run that short pedal board cable is going to do. As soon as I get my Mogami, that'll be cable. I'm going to put that in there. But the noise is not bad. I don't know if you can hear that. And then there's going to be some compression, so the noise will actually sound louder than it is. But I'll kick off my tuner here. My guitar is not far from the speaker, but it will actually feed back. And if you can hear the noise, it's not bad, it's fine.